Welcome to the Smart Science video about how to measure for the projectile and launch angle lab. In this lab, we're going to consider how launching projectiles at different angles affects the path of that projectile. So at the top of this window, you'll notice that we've got some equipment here. We're going to use 3 different masses of objects, and we've got an image that shows you what the setup looks like. Under the guideline, you notice it's a very simple lab. Just clicking on the center of the projectile ball in each frame of the video is how you measure. Now let's go ahead and pick a hypothesis we'd like to test. In more advanced classes, you may have to write a hypothesis. Just clicking on any one, you'll notice that it goes into this box and shows as my hypothesis. And now we can get into the actual videos. Now we just have one ball, aluminum, at 4 different angles that we can try. So really the focus of this lab is the angle that you're going to shoot the projectile at and what effect it has. Let's just pick one out and go ahead and press play on the video. You notice that first we have a full speed video, and then we get the slow motion version of that, so you can really see the projectile and its path. Now let's get into measuring. Measuring this lab requires us to click on the ball. It'll move forward, we'll click on it again, and so forth. This is going to give us a basic path of the projectile. And you can see that over there on the right. Notice where the projectile started, how it went forward and down like this, just like the path that you see that you measured. Once you've done this for all 4 different angles, go ahead and save each one. You can see in color what they look like. Compare them by using the All button and see how projectile angle affects its path.